Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I wanted to do a quick video today about this stove and a comment I have received on it. When I did my Canteen cup cooking video with this stove, the Canteen didn't want to fit on these three spokes. You know, a round pot wouldn't have had any problem, but you know, the Canteen cup itself, you know, it's oddly shaped. Now, it's still one of my favorite pieces of cookware, but I'd forgotten about a simple solution I had, which I'm going to show you here in a moment. Come on. There we go. A simple solution, because I've got a bunch of these. Voila! I'd forgotten I had it. I have about 6, I think. They're about $1. I think the most expensive one I've seen is about $1.79. These are steamer racks that you can get at Asian markets because they do a lot of steaming. You know, dumplings, humbaos, pork buns, all those kind of things. You know, they don't bake theirs. They steam them, and they put the water down, and they put the rack on it, and then they put whatever they're going to steam it in on top of that. So the steam will go up, and they make great little grates for cooking and making drinks. So I'm going to make some mocha, because I love this stuff. So. Can't get a knife out to save my life. I'm also going to be cooking a Canteen cup lunch again today. But I wanted to throw this video out real quick first and do it as its own video, so I'm not just throwing out, you know, a really long cooking video. So, alright. The annoying ass wind keeps shifting around, so it keeps blowing the flame around. And I don't have a very big windscreen. I actually do have one, but it doesn't go all the way up. I'm just waiting for my water so I can move on to another video. Alright. Just starting to get some bubbling. Nice. Delicious. Always a home run. Alright, well that concludes this video. Let me know what you think. I might have a video where I went to the Asian markets and I looked for the screens. If I find it, I'll link it below. And always check the description for notes or playlists or links and stuff like that. And I thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.